Imagine falling into the deepest, most peaceful sleep of your life. A sleep so restful that you wake up feeling completely recharged, like a Zen monk who has mastered the art of letting go. But what if I told you that according to Buddhism, sleep isn't just about resting, it's about transforming your mind? I'll share ancient Buddhist techniques that will not only help you fall asleep faster but also clear your mind, reduce stress, and bring deep inner peace. These teachings have been practiced for over 2,500 years, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to use them in your own life. Let's begin. Did you know that in Buddhism, sleep is considered a mini-death? Think about it. Every night, you let go of everything, your identity, your problems, your desires, just like you would at the end of your life. But the problem is, most people don't know how to sleep correctly. The Buddha taught that sleep should be a practice in mindfulness, not just an escape from reality. If you go to sleep filled with worry, stress, or negative thoughts, your mind doesn't truly rest. Instead, it carries that emotional baggage into the next day. So what's the solution? Buddhist monks follow a simple yet powerful pre-sleep ritual that cleanses the mind before bed. And in just a moment, I'll guide you through it step by step. But first, let me ask you, how often do you go to bed still thinking about the mistakes of the past or the fears of tomorrow? If that sounds like you, keep watching, because what comes next could change the way you sleep forever. Now, let's go through the exact Buddhist process to prepare your mind for deep sleep. Step 1, the letting go practice. Find a comfortable position and take a deep breath in and out. Close your eyes and visualize your thoughts as leaves floating down a river. Every time a worry or memory appears, let it drift away, do not hold on to it. The Buddha once said, "You only lose what you cling to." So tonight, practice letting go of everything before sleep. Step 2, the gratitude reflection. Before monks sleep, they reflect on 3 positive things from their day, no matter how small. Maybe it's a kind word from a stranger, a good meal, or even just this moment of peace. Gratitude shifts your mind from anxiety to contentment. Step 3, the loving-kindness meditation. In Buddhist practice, the final thought before sleep should be compassion, for yourself and others. Whisper to yourself, "May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be free from suffering." Then, extend that wish to others, "May all beings find peace and happiness." This practice reprograms your subconscious mind so that you wake up feeling lighter and more at peace. Now, let's put everything into practice with a guided Buddhist sleep meditation. Step 1, breathing into stillness. Breathe in. Hold. And exhale slowly. Feel your body sinking into the surface beneath you. With every breath, imagine your body becoming lighter and lighter. Step 2, visualization of the empty mind. Imagine your mind as a clear, still lake. Every thought that arises is just a ripple on the water's surface, observe it, but do not react. In Buddhism, emptiness is not nothingness, it is peace. Step 3, entering the sleep state. Imagine yourself floating on a soft cloud. Feel a gentle, golden light surrounding you, this is the light of awareness. Let yourself merge with the silence. Before we close, I want to leave you with one final Buddhist teaching: your mind in the morning is created by your thoughts at night. If you practice this meditation every night, you won't just sleep better, you'll wake up with a clear mind, a peaceful heart, and a deeper understanding of yourself. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more wisdom on mastering the mind and living a stress-free life. Comment below what resonated with you the most. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Sleep well, and may your dreams bring you wisdom.